Zoom off.
Beautiful tables. Any chance that we can...
Okay, close your mouth, Maverick.
Let me do it.
I got it. Let it go.
Rocky, what are you doing with that chicken? Nobody was going to believe this.
You sat already. You didn't even give me a chance to tell you to sit. All right, you sat? Give me 5. Good boy. Give me 5 again. Good boy. Who's my boy? Say.
Go in. Go in. Go in. She made it. He's gonna knock it off the table. Oh no!
Oh, he's so cute. Nom, nom, nom.
Swinging up and going behind you.
Oh my god. Look at you with your cape on. You're so cool, buddy. Come on.
Here's a fast dog. Uh-oh, don't run into me. Don't run into me. Yo. Yeah, crazy dog. Yo.
So if I touch her food, she'll get really angry. Is that yours? I'm sorry.
She's the owner of the Rainbowville Bakery. Get this, flower shop. Get it? Flower like flower, flower like, you know.
Get her, Petey.
Come here.
Yeah, I talked to Rock for a little bit. Talon, I think, just got up. He's switching to mid, so.
Are you comfy? Hi. comfy?
Skipper. Oh, here he comes, here he comes.
No waiting to apply. So call now. Remember.
You got this, Hams. You got this. You got this. Hi, babies. Hello.
Now, I'm not saying my woman's coffee tastes like shit, but why's my cat trying to cover it up because it thinks it's shit?
Oh my god! I know it. Pick a card. Wait, ready? Simba, pick a card. Pick a card. Pick a card. Pick a card.
Get this. Wait for it.
Since you last seen him. Yeah, very big. He's 17 and all.
She steals her own chips.
Leo!
Bye.
Oh no. Oh no. No. Oh, bad idea. Bad idea.
It won't register his face. Oh!
Oh, she left.
He loves that bag.